Luis Alaga at Pulong Tomasino version 4.0, Medical, Dental, Surgical, Ophthalm Vision coincides with the UST Hospital's 80th anniversary. And as we celebrate this milestone, we are fulfilling our commitment to serve our underprivileged brothers and sisters. And through this mission, we highlight not just the competence and excellence of our institution, but it also highlights our commitment to serve. For at the core of UST Hospital is a heart that serves. In order to improve on our patient care, in order to improve our training program, it's not just a one-man effort. We recognize the fact that many of our stakeholders are considered partners and supporters. When we give back, you're actually not just giving back to the university, FMS, and hospital. You're actually giving back to the patients who have taught you so much.
Mangyari ay makatulong kami kahit na sa konting gamot at saka po sa ECG kasi meron po kaming mobile clinic dito.
Thankful ako sa Pulong Tomasino since na-open niya yung services ng UST throughout the community. And very available yung mga kailangan ng mga people around here such as the free check-up, free dental, free medicine, and the free services talaga na like laboratory.
Today, we had plenty of patients going in, plenty of blood extractions, and also plenty of results claiming. My experience here in the medical mission is very fruitful, it's very nice. I get to talk to a lot of people, I get to interact and help them with their questions in blood extraction.
This is my first time here at UST Hospital Medical Center, and it's been a very fruitful and rewarding experience, of course, because it's always a good thing to be able to serve and help, our fellow citizens.
We are very grateful to be here. We are grateful for the education received from UST. Kaya this is why we started Alaga to Mexico.
Organization that's been put on is very impressive. Just getting to see the outreach into the underserved communities is great, and seeing the doctors from other countries that have come to help put on this mission has been a pleasure to witness.
Hello, ako si Maria Joana Angelica Frida, 16 years old. Nakatira ako sa Caloocan City. Tapos tinanggalan ako ng pyridoxal. Yun yung sakit ko. Ang message ko po sa UST Hospital, thank you so much po sa yung sa Medical Mission po kasi dahil doon po nabawasan ko yung sa bulsa. Thank you po. Salamat sa tulong sa kasina.
Ako po si Darman Dapat, 50 years old. Nakatira sa Orlando, Bulacan. Ako po ay naoperahan ng angiogram. At nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga doktor at nurse dito sa UST sa tulong ng Save Heart Program. Papasalamat din po ako sa Tomasino na ako po ay naoperahan na. Maraming pong salamat sa tulong ng Tomasino.
My name is Gia Cabero